Hey, it's Brian, out here on location, undisclosed location, you'll never know, where I bring you today the oldest furnace ever. And it's got a newer air conditioner. See, you can look. I'll give you a peek, but I don't want to give away where I'm at. Privacy, you understand these things. Check out this furnace. Well, it just sucked it up in there. This is an old Carrier, probably about as old as I am. When I came in here, this was sitting in here like that, sucking in outside air, probably from the attic there. Ooh, there we go. Oh no, that goes to the roof. But you can imagine how efficient that was. So let's get this bad boy back on here to where we're actually sucking. It's kind of hard to do this kind of stuff with a phone in your hand. Jeez. There we go. You turn these little hootuses this way and they don't come out. But I'm guessing a whole bunch of vibration and a considerable amount of time did that. I love service calls like that. Awesome. All right, I'm out. It might help. Well, let's see if that helps our evaporator TD.